Hi guys, welcome to Noah's Channels, and we made a slime out of clay and shampoo, and I used cherries, and make another slime out of glue and activator. So yeah, this is gonna be my first. I'm gonna go for a girlish style, maybe not. I'm gonna choose something different. I never choose green. Okay, so we can only choose a different color from the other person, and we can only use that color for this whole, almost this whole day, until this video stops. So I'm gonna use green. I can only use green materials for this.
I'm gonna use red.
You can only use red materials.
What?
You can only use red things. Yeah, I'm excited.
I'll just take that good line. Okay, how do you even with red?
There is no more red. Pink. So
I see a tiny bit. Okay.
give me red. Give me this thing.
Don't make it pink.
It's not. Wait, you want red?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait.
I don't even like pink.
I know. I'm gonna put a lot of pink, and it'll turn red. Cause last time mine turned red, cause I put
Too
lot
much
of
pink.
Yeah. Pink, 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 pink. Mix it for you. Mixy, mixy.
It's turning dark pink.
It's okay. We'll turn red.
I think we could. Black will make it red.
I don't have black, so yeah. Look, it's getting a little red. Say that.
Yeah. So we need more pink.
Boop, boop. Yeah, no more pinks, please, because we're already running out of pink. Okay, I'm gonna decorate my green slab. This
It's
doesn't.
not even turning pink red.
Then you can use blue and it will turn red. I think maybe.
Or
Yeah.
what? Oh, but I think red is a primary color.
Yeah, red is a.
Yeah, but that's bad thing, so we can't mix anything up.
Red? Oh yeah, it's what? So cool, this green color. I'm
this
gonna go
is-
for a watermelon themed slime. Watermelon.
Are you supposed
So I have perfect colors for the watermelon theme.
I think this is gonna be enough. It's gonna turn red.
Some red for my watermelon theme.
Okay, whoopsie.
Some more. One more red.
Oh,
Come
red
back,
and
yellow.
mine is blue.
I mean white.
It's already turning dark blue.
Got you white. Boop. 2, 3, 4.
It looks so good.
Mix.
So good.
Looks so good.
This one looks.
It looks so good. Which one are you keeping?
I don't know.
If I were you, I would keep this one because I like this one.
Same.
This looks so cool.
This also smells good for some reason.
My watermelon theme. You can only use blue stuff. Your slime.
Use that one. Can you use water bottle?
What?
Can you use this one? Water?
Because it's too costly. Okay, what else should I use for
I
my
think
water-
they should use it.
What should I use for my watermelon colored? Watermelon theme? White is also on my list for watermelon theme because this has white on it. So I want it to be. I'm going to make like a soup of watermelon. I mean, like an ice cream sundae one. So
There's like nothing I can use.
some of You can use any color.
There is some.
Oh, you can use this maybe. No, it's not good. Don't use the hearts. I don't think it will look good. You can use this.
Oh yeah, it's like sea theme.
Use gold and stuff. You can only use gold and stuff.
Oh yeah, it's sea themed.
It's galaxy themed actually.
Yeah. Like it'll be good. Take some of that.
Mine's is yummy. Watermelon themed, but don't eat your slime.
It's not eatable slime.
Yeah. Glue and
Activator are not
or
eatable.
chemicals. So we're gonna make another video of us we're gonna show you Orbeez, right?
Yeah.
Orbeez. This is so cool. I love my
From
slime.
my house.
Yeah, it's so cool.
The stuff.
I have boogers.
Ew. That would be disgusting.
I actually don't have boogers.
I'm just gonna take one of those.
Don't eat that one because it's not watermelon themed. I want a watermelon, like one of the big ones of watermelon, but this is so weird stuff.
Eat space. Because there's like nothing in space.
Oh my god, this watermelon dude is sticky. I love this slime so much, but I love this more.
This star is sticking out.
Wow.
The star came out. So what else should I use? Hey, star, go back.
We're gonna get our clay and show you how we're gonna make it. We got our colors. I got this, and then we put our slime in the box. This is his. This is mine. So we're gonna start opening it and start making the slime. So you're gonna need Model Magic clay, any type, except the doughish one. I think that's what it's called. Like it's like the doughy one. I mean the foodie one. Yeah, this one feels so good. This one feels better than my other one.
Wait, can I feel it?
This one is like, this actually feels the same as my other one. Feels so good. Yay. Okay, we're gonna mix it. After we're done mixing it, we'll show you it. Okay, we're gonna start putting our shampoo. Humongous. That's some on mine. I'm gonna put some. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, we're gonna mix it. Definitely make it. I'm putting the sun, and I'm gonna think what else. I'm putting the ball. You put this tree thingy.
Yeah, I'll just put that one next.
I'm gonna put another ball. And another ball. And another ball.
I guess I
And
use
another
this
ball.
ball.
And another ball. I put so many balls. I put 6 balls.
Mine is Christmas theme.
I'm mixing mine. Mine's a sun theme. That's why it has a bunch of balls.
Like the sun is a ball.
Yeah. And I'm putting 2 pearls. It's like the sun. The sun is shiny. The pearls are kind of shiny. So, pearlies. Pearlies. And another pearl. I love my slime. Which one are you going to keep? The Christmas theme or the blue one?
The blue.
Yeah, I like the blue one more.
Yeah.
Yep. And bye. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and see
Yeah.
you in another